All right, don't be weather unprepared. Get ready with Stephanie Waldrop here. She has a look at that forecast for us.
Yes, we'll get you ready for your Wednesday here outside. We are taking a look outside live. We are seeing a little bit of haze here across the Tucson metro. Might want to keep that in mind if you are sensitive to that type of thing. If you have asthma, breathing issues, things like that, might want to limit your time outdoors here this morning. As far as your temperature goes in Tucson, we are sitting in the 70s, 77 right now in the metro. Satellite and radar showing a little bit of rain, but this rain is dissipating as we speak and also going to be moving over into New Mexico, the stuff that does not dissipate. It's very light in nature. Shouldn't be a huge issue, but it might be just enough to have to turn your windshield wipers on a time or two. As we take a look here at your dew points, this is kind of going to tell the story of what we're expecting for your Wednesday. Drier air from Tucson to the east. We have moist air from Tucson and to the west. You can see these dew points mainly in the 60s in Douglas and Safford, Sierra Vista. That dew point right around 50. Tucson, though, the dew point is below 40 degrees, so drier air filtering in. That leaves our monsoon prediction index at a 0 through all of Pima and Nogales counties, or not Nogales County, Santa Cruz County, which Nogales is in. And in Cochise County, we're seeing a 1 to 2 on that monsoon prediction scale. So those numbers are low, but not 0 over in Cochise and Graham counties. And you can see that here on our high resolution rain tracker. Couple showers popping up at noon, mainly over the mountains. Coming off the mountains, pretty isolated to spotty in nature around 3 p.m. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. we're still seeing activity before things start to dissipate as we head into the overnight hours. So here's a look at today's forecast. Cochise County 91 degrees, that 20% chance for storms. In Santa Cruz County 95, 102 in the metro, 78 in the mountains. No rain chance there. Temperatures are going to be climbing here as we head throughout the next 7 days. 102 right on par with average. Today is actually the coolest day of the next 7. Then we climb, peaking on Monday at 108. You'll notice, though, on Tuesday we drop down not a lot, but a bit. And that is going to be kind of the precursor to our next big weather maker. Wetter than normal conditions are expected as we head into June 30th through July 4th. Right on schedule. Looks like monsoon could be pumping up here as we head into Independence Day. Right now we have a high pressure system that's over off to the east, bringing record-breaking heat throughout much of the U.S. For us here, though, we're going to be seeing a high pressure system, a very small one, pop up right over the Four Corners region as we head into next week. This is what we need to bring in that moisture from the Gulf and also from the Pacific, and that is what's going to pop up those rain chances as we head into next week. So here's a look at your 10-day tracker. Temperatures slowly climbing, peaking Monday at 108. Isolated storm chances today through Friday, mainly east of Tucson. Dry for this weekend, and then next week you'll notice those temperatures plummet by the 4th of July, but rain chances going up. Right now I only have it at a 30% chance because it's more than 7 days out, but I'm hoping I get to raise those as we get closer to that event. Now,